The next part of the lesson is about Mukesh. Mukesh wants to drive a car. He wants to be a mechanic of cars, and this is because he wants to be a free person. He wants to do uh, what he wants. Being his own master means what he wants, not what his parents have been doing. जो उनकी generations करते आ रहे हैं उसको वही करना है. No, he wants to do something different from his grandparents and parents, and he wants to be a motor mechanic. So the writer asks Mukesh if he knows anything about cars, and Mukesh answers that he will learn to drive a car, and he looks directly into the eyes of the writer. Where do they live? Where does Mukesh live? Mukesh lives in Firozabad. The streets of Firozabad town is full of dust, but his eyes are full of dream. The dream of Mukesh, the writer feels, is not likely to be realized because this town is famous for making bangles, and majority of families work for making bangles. So even Mukesh will have to do the same type of job. He will never get a chance to be anything else than a bangle maker. Firozabad is center of glass making industry. That means a glass making is a big activity here. Okay, a major activity that is done in Firozabad. Many generations of families have worked in this industry, and they work around furnaces during several activities. Bangles which are made here are supplied to every place in the world. So this also means that in Firozabad bangles are made in great numbers. That is why so many families are involved. Family of Mukesh also works in bangle making industry. No one knows, probably because that it is against the law for children to work near glass furnace that has high temperature. The furnace area has less light and the circulation is bad. The circulation of air is very bad. So at the furnace, Mukesh and his friends and all the other children, they work very hard. So losing eyesight is very common. They do not know if the law is applied, and Mukesh along with all 20,000 children can be removed from working at the furnace. So these children are the hazards of working in a glass blowing industry, that there is no light, and they have to adjust their eyes to the light whatever it is available, and that is why they lose their eyesight very soon. The furnace area, it has no ventilation, so all the poisonous gases that are being emitted from the furnace, it reaches their lungs, and it gives them lots of lung related, breathing related diseases, and the air circulation is very bad, and it is of very high temperature. They have to work near, these children work near glass furnace that has very high temperature. So but all this is happening because people like Mukesh's family and children like Mukesh, they do not know that there are laws against child labor, and Mukesh and other 20,000 children can be removed from working at the furnace. Mukesh here wants to take the writer to his home. His eyes are shining while he takes the writer home. Mukesh informs the writer that his home is getting rebuilt. That is, some renovation is taking place at his house. So the writer and Mukesh walk through the lanes. There is foul smell, coming from these lanes. They are full of garbage. The lanes are full of garbage. The homes are small and broken. Walls are about to fall. Doors are shaking. Houses don't have any windows. And they are living in ancient style. That is, houses have lots of people and animals living together like in ancient style. But all this is the hard reality of the place where Mukesh lives. So Mukesh stops at one house of that type only, which the writer has just described. He strikes at the shaking iron gate with his foot. The door is pushed open. तो जैसे ही उसने अपने पाँव से थोड़ा सा भी धक्का लगाया, क्योंकि उसकी जो दरवाजे की हालत थी बहुत ख़राब थी, तो दरवाज़ा खुलता है. They enter into a very poorly built house. It is not fully constructed also. One part of the house has grass and straws as its roof, and in a corner there is a firewood stove. एक अंगीठी जल रही है, and on the stove there is spinach leaves vegetable being cooked. Aluminium plates are kept on the ground, and these plates have more cut vegetables. And who is doing all this cooking? There is a weak looking young woman who is cooking dinner for the family. Her eyes are filled with smoke and she smiles at the author. She is the wife of elder brother of Mukesh. She's not very old by her age. She gets respect of everybody because she's the daughter-in-law, but she's very young. She takes care of three men of the house: her husband, Mukesh, and their father. Here the older men in the story, and you will see the older men here. This refers to this older man, this refers to the father of Mukesh. So when she sees the older man coming to house, she goes behind the wall and puts a veil on her face. Veil मतलब पर्दा करना, अपने मुंह पे घूंघट लगाना. This is the tradition of the house, right? So the elder person is very poor and a weak bangle maker. तो मैंने आपको जो भी हज़ार सभी बताए थे कि lungs choke होते हैं, eyesight weak होती हैं, इन सब चीज़ों की वजह से that man has become very weak. He has done hard work for many years. First he was a tailor, then he became a bangle maker. But in spite of all the hard work, he has not been able to bring house to a good condition. He could not send his sons to school. He has only managed to teach them bangle making. Grandmother of Mukesh is also staying in that house. So when the writer talks to the grandmother, she says that this is their destiny. It is their karam, their destiny. Her husband had become blind while working as a bangle maker. He used to polish glass. तो जब हम लोग पॉलिश करते हैं ना चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज़ अनदर हज़ार, जब वो ग्लास पॉलिश करते हैं तो जो उसका रेजिड्यू होता है ना, जो डस्ट होता है वो आपकी आइज़ में जाता है, वो भी आपकी आइज़ ख़राब कर देता है. तो बहुत साल तक यही काम करने से आपकी आई साइट बिल्कुल चली जाती है. ही यूज़ टू पॉलिश ग्लास बैंगल्स एंड द डस्ट ऑफ द ग्लास हैड एंटर्ड इनटू हिज आइज़. So they had to adopt the profession of ancestors, and so they had to do the same thing also. By this she means that one needs to accept, one has to accept what God gives them. There is no way out. They have to accept what God gives them, right? So they have to have that state of helplessness is given to them. They were born in the house of bangle makers. Their ancestors have also been bangle makers. So they have seen only bangles in their house. In every other house and in every street of Firozabad, there are only bangles. Round bangles of every color of rainbow. Beautiful colors. They lie in heaps. उसकी बहुत सारे bangles पड़े होते हैं in the poorly maintained yards. तो backyards में बहुत सारी जगह पर बैंगल्स ऐसे ही पड़े हैं, उनके माउंटेन्स बने हुए हैं. सो दीज आर पुट इन 4-wheeled कार्ट, जिसको आप ठेला बोलते हैं. यंग मैन पुश दीज कार्ट्स अलॉन्ग द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ द टाउन, एंड द टाउन इज़ ओल्ड एंड वेरी पुअरली मेंटेन्ड. वहाँ पर ना अच्छी लाइट है, ना एयर है. एंड इन दीज डार्क हाउसेज सम बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, writer sees are sitting with their parents. They are joining the end of the glass to make circular bangles. तो पूरा का पूरा सर्कल नहीं बनता बच्चे, बैंगल्स का हाफ में बनता है, हाफ सर्कल होता है. तो आपको 2 हाफ सर्कल्स को मिला के स्मोल्डर करके उसको ज्वाइन करके तब पूरा बैंगल बनाना पड़ता है. और वो बहुत कम लाइट में काम कर रहे हैं. द लाइट ऑफ द लैम्प इज़ वेरी अनस्टडी एंड समटाइम्स इट बिकम्स मोर और लेस नॉन एग्जिस्टेंट ऑल्सो. So children like to work in less light than in full light because they have adjusted themselves to poor light only. The writer wants to say that this is not their choice but compulsion. They work in poor light, and because they work in poor light, they become blind before the grown-ups also at times. So there is a girl named Savita. She is wearing a dress of dull pink color. She is sitting near to an elderly woman. The girl is joining glass. Her hands are moving like a machine. The writer has a doubt if the girl knows importance of the bangles that she is making. Bangles, children, in our Hindu mythology are considered very holy for marriage. It represents a woman's suhag, which is the husband, Sabita will also, when get married, she will also understand it one day. She will also wear a red sari, और वो भी घूंघट करेगी, अपने हाथों पे मेहंदी भी लगाएगी. She will apply henna, she will wear red bangles, and then she will be a bride. Maybe then she will know what bangles mean, right? So Sabita will also be a wife, just like this old woman who is sitting next to her. The old woman who had got married many years ago, she has bangles in her hand, but there is no shine in her eyes. That means she has no hope or joy left in her eyes. She says that she had never had a full meal on any day. आज तक उन्होंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में पेट भर के खाना नहीं खाया. And this is what she has received in her life. ये बहुत, जिसको वो अचीवमेंट भी बोलती हैं. दिस इज़ अ बिग सटायर चिल्ड्रन ऑन दिस सोसाइटी हु इज़ लिविंग लाइक दिस, जहाँ पर ऐसे लोग इतनी पुअर कंडीशंस में काम कर रहे हैं, पर इनको ना कोई देखने वाला है ना पूछने वाला है. द हस्बैंड ऑफ द ओल्ड लेडी हियर हैज़ अ होल्ड बियर्ड, long beard. He says that he knows only bangle making, and he has managed to live and build a house. This is the only thing that he could do. The person has a house of his own, so he has achieved what many have failed to achieve. बड़ी achievement है एक कमरे का टूटा फूटा घर बना लेना, you know. Every house complains that they have just enough money to continue the business of bangle making, but they do not have enough money to buy food. So what does this tell us, children? This tells us that in spite of all family members working, in spite of every family member working, they find it difficult to buy food. तो उनकी अर्निंग बहुत कम है, उनको एक्सप्लॉइट किया जाता है, you know. और उनको जैसे गवर्नमेंट ने आपको प्रपोज करा है कि पर डे इतना लेबर चार्ज देना है, वो उनको कुछ भी नहीं मिलता है. नाउ द यंगर जनरेशन हैव द सेम रिग्रेट और कंप्लेन कि हमें नहीं मिलता कुछ भी. So it appears that nothing has changed in the city of Firozabad. Because of hard work, their mind is not able to think anything else. So they are not able to think anything new. They don't have any dream. The writers suggest to them, उनको बताते हैं कि आप एक cooperative society क्यों नहीं form करते हैं. The suggestion is made to young group of young men कि आप एक cooperative form करिए, गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट बोलिए, या आपको जो exploit कर रहे हैं उसकी गवर्नमेंट से शिकायत करिए. You know, what these young men tell, that they were forced to walk into the trap of middlemen. Now escape from their clutches is not possible. These middlemen had trapped their ancestors and it continues. तो जो बिचौलिए होते हैं ना, तो वो जैसे उन्होंने उनसे पैसा लिया है, वो पैसे का इतना सारा इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता रहता है. वो ना तो वो अपने और अगर वो कोऑपरेटिव उनको बनाते भी हैं, ठीक है, तो क्या होता है, इवन इफ दे गेट टुगेदर, द पुलिस बीट्स देम एंड पुट्स देम इन प्रिजन एंड द रीजन गिवन बाय द पुलिस इज कि उन्होंने कुछ इलीगल करा है, यू नो. तो राइटर वांट्स टू से हियर दैट द मिडलमैन, जो बिचौलिए हैं, एंड द पुलिस, दे आर वर्किंग टुगेदर टू इंश्योर द कंडीशन ऑफ पीपल दैट रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड. कि वो चाहते ही नहीं है कि अपनी गंदी सिचुएशन से बाहर आ पाएँ, क्योंकि उनको फिर पर डे के हिसाब से पूरा पैसा देना पड़ेगा, उनको प्रॉपर लिविंग कंडीशंस, वर्किंग कंडीशंस देने पड़ेंगे, वो उनके लिए थोड़ा पैसा ज़्यादा होता है. सो these middlemen can continue to get the work done at very low cost. They don't have any leader and they do not have any guide also who would help them think in a different way. Their fathers were tired of working, they were also tired of working. Their talks are limited to only 4 topics: poverty, lack of sympathy, greed and injustice. They only talk about that, but no action is taken, and that is why their conditions are unchanged. In the life of bangle makers' children, there are 2 separate aspects and areas. First is their family, which is very poor. The family suffers because of their caste also. The second is made by sahukars, middlemen, policemen, ऑफिसर्स एंड पॉलिटिशियंस. ये सब मिलकर इनको इतना इनजस्टिस, इतना क्रूएलिटी करते हैं कि ये दे आर नॉट एबल टू सपोर्ट देयर फैमिली ऑल्सो, एंड दे आर नेवर एबल टू कम आउट ऑफ द क्लचेस ऑफ दीज पीपल. So these 2 aspects have collectively put a load on every child. The child is not able to remove that load. He accepts the load unknowingly and without understanding anything. And same thing is happening with his father also. Even if the person wants to do anything other than bangle making, it is considered courage. And the writer says that having courage is not part of their life. तो इतने courageous वो है नहीं. But when writer sees a small amount of courage in Mukesh, she feels happy. Mukesh says, I want to be a motor mechanic. Mukesh says that he will go to a garage to learn how to repair cars, but the garage is very far from his house. And he says that he will walk to the garage, but he will become motor mechanic. The writer asks Mukesh if he has a dream of flying an aeroplane, and then Mukesh becomes silent. He says no. He looks to the ground and says no. In his short answer, there is a lot of discomfort. But this discomfort has not become disappointment. Discomfort इसलिए है क्योंकि उसने कभी planes नहीं देखे. Not many planes, fly over फिरोजाबाद. तो उसने कभी बड़ा ड्रीम नहीं देखा. And this discomfort is also because he does not have any money to take that training to become a pilot. So he's satisfied to have a dream of cars, of being car mechanic. उसने कार तो बहुत सारी देखी हैं अपनी टाउन में, कभी एयरप्लेन्स नहीं देखे. So it is a very powerful message. What you see, you can dream to become. Okay, so it is very important to widen the horizon of our knowledge to bring, dream big and achieve it. But for people of Firozabad, for the children of Firozabad, for children like Mukesh, it is a very distant thing. क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया उनकी लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. And this brings us to the end of this lesson, to the second part also, and to the end of the lesson also. Fine.